lovelies, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm just in the house. I'm about to cook. So today I'm going to prepare eggplant and egg stew with ripe plantain, or garden eggs and egg stew, however you want to call it. So let's head to the kitchen and start cooking. So the next clip we're going to see is me cooking. So let's get cooking, guys. So guys, this is ripe plantain. When it's fresh, this is how it looks. So guys, when the ripe plantain has been in the refrigerator for some days, it discolors and then turn into this. So I have several of these in the refrigerator that I'm going to use for the cooking. So guys, here are the ingredients. This is garden eggs. You can substitute this for eggplant or any other vegetable in the eggplant family, because this garden egg belongs to the eggplant family. Then I'm going to use onion, garlic, olive oil, 1 egg, tomatoes, chili pepper. I've labeled my container. So this is chili pepper. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for the cooking. Food is ready. So guys, this is ripe plantain with garden eggs and egg stew. So this is the finished meal. Ripe plantain with garden eggs and egg stew. Hello guys, good morning. Today is hair wash day. So I've conditioned my hair. As you can see, the condition is on. So that's what I've been up to pretty much this morning. Guys, I'm going to show you what I've been up to these 3 days, more than 3 days. Today is the 4th day that I've been off from work. I've been sewing some lace, so I'm going to show you. I'm almost through the top part, so I'm going to show you where I am at the sewing. So let's go and see it. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. The lace, the top parts, it's not complete. I haven't finished. So this is what I've been up to for the past 3+ days, more than 3 days actually. That's what I mean. So this is what I've been doing. I'll film the down part when I'm sewing it, but this is the top parts, the upper parts. Getting ready to go to work. As you can see, I'm ironing my clothes. It's around 5:50 in the morning. All my neighbors are up. Everyone is preparing to go to work. If you can hear, some of them have also tuned in their radio, listening to early morning news. So this, as you can see, I've tagged the ironing board under the bed. I've just learned this new method of just a laying of clothes, at least 2 clothes, and then putting your clothes on it and then ironing it. It's not the best or the modern, but I don't know, I enjoy it. I'm weird, guys. So I just lay some clothes on the floor and then I'm ironing my outfit on it. So I just said to pick the camera and show you guys what I'm doing this morning. This method of just laying on clothes on the floor and then just ironing your clothes on it is somehow enjoyable. I personally enjoy it. I'm weird, guys. I don't do it all the time. Sometimes I use the ironing board. Guys, I'm all set, ready to go to work. Let me show you my outfits and my shoe. Guys, this is the shoe I'm wearing to work. So today I'm filming a makeup video. I've already started. Look, as you can see, I've already applied foundation, but I just wanted you guys to know that today I'm filming a makeup video. So that video will go up before this vlog goes up. So I'll see you guys when I'm done with the makeup tutorial. So yeah, guys, I'm done with the makeup video. This is the look I was able to create. It was a sample. You guys head on to the channel and see it. I've already uploaded it. So this is what I came up with. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I'm just going to head to the kitchen and start cooking because I'm going to feel hungry. I will see you guys tomorrow or any other day that I vlog. So guys, today I'm at the office. Today is Saturday. I came for the weekend work. I don't know if that makes any sense. So I'm here. So I've moved to a different office under the same department. We all work in the same department to help with the work of this office as well. As you can see, I showed you my office, but I've moved to a different office under the same department to help with the work here. That's why what you saw earlier is different from where I am today. Now, right now. So yeah guys, I'm home. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to all you need to do. And to my Margaret family, thank you guys so much for your constant love. Don't also forget to share this with friends who think my like vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.